We're in the rehearsal room trying to make a box of tricks that's arrived from Philadelphia work. It's the heart of the piece. Everything is controlled by 3 computers which run audio and video. And they also talk to the lighting board and give it timings for when to change lighting setups. So it's pretty crucial to the whole show. Without it, we've got a no-show, a no-go, no-show. In many ways, the technology we're working with is not unknown to theatre. In fact, most West End and Broadway musicals run with this kind of kit. It's quite unusual for it to be deployed in the context of classical music, which I guess you could call this, though I think it's kind of uncategorizable as a presentation because it's mixing so many media. But to have control over all these things centrally is very common in the West End in shows where you've got to repeat things again and again. The thing I envy about the guys who are working in the West End Theatre with this sort of setup is that they set it up once, and once they've got it working, they never touch it apart from servicing it. We've got to arrive in a theatre, set it up in the morning, test it all, get it all working, do a show, and then put it all back in its boxes again and take it somewhere else. That's a challenge.